Is your external component the Strgene Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish your scientific analysis software links. As we prepare the manual solution for Strgene Library, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the Strgene Library, the Steinberg Stream Generation library. It provides unmanaged routines for real-time audio streaming orchestration, facilitating the digital data link for professional DAW manifests. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. The professional protocol for this error is a fresh installation of your scientific analysis software. Navigate to the Microsoft site to download the Visual C++ redistributable packages for x86 and x64, then complete both installations. If you're still finding yourself stuck after the reinstall, our next priority is to check for any active blocks in the system path. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Strgene library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Using an incorrect or outdated version of Strgene Library DLL can create a domino effect, causing other unrelated programs on your PC to start failing. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. If you're exploring professional monitoring options, the software linked below provides general diagnostic information for Strgene Library. To support our technical team and receive updates on Strgene Library resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.